Today I am reviewing this Lefree paper towel holder. It has a very heavy weighted base, so it won't tip over. You see there, it's 2.65 pounds weighted base. Nice soft touch on here. You simply has this little spring right here. It's nice stainless steel. And put your paper towel roll right on that. Push it back down. That's how easy it is to change it. Then it has this arm right here. You can simply tear with one hand like that, as it's putting clamping force right there. This is really nice compared to our old one. You know, just look at this thing compared to it. You have this nice sleek black here. You have this little arm that will work. It'll conform to any size paper towel. Like I have another used one right here. This is, look how quick that was to change it. Boom, just a little pop right there. Push it down. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.